How to block people from Facebook page, you can learn from this video. So let's start the video. First, we need to go to Facebook page from our Facebook feed page. So we need to click the profile icon. And again select the Facebook page. And next, we need to click Settings tab on the left side of the Facebook page. Again, we need to enter Privacy section in Settings page. You can see we have the blocking option in Privacy page. Once we click Open the Blocking tab, we have 3 options. We can block people from entering the page. And similarly, we have apps and pages that we can block as well. To continue with the video, let's block people from Facebook page. We need to click Edit under Block Users. And next, we can add users and followers to blocked list. We can type the name of the user and select them to block from our Facebook page. And you can see, I have blocked users from visiting my Facebook page. I am hoping this video will be useful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when we add new videos.